So I'd like to talk to you about a great opportunity, right? This is, definitely an ad. Don't believe when people say, oh, it's not an ad. This is an ad. Let me tell you. So you're on vacation and you're chilling with your family, you're laid back, but you're contemplating and trying to reevaluate your career plan, okay? So you're a business analyst or not a business analyst, and you want to discover new opportunities. Well, let me tell you about robotics. A robotics business analyst. What's different about this? The difference is that you'll be taught a hands-on course that will walk you through how to lay out the plan and write the requirements and help with the project team or whatever agile team that you're working with to help this development, right? So keep in mind that there are a lot of things out there, but robotics has a great future and you need to be certified. So go to my website, TonyAriagata.com, to sign up and start your classes today. This is Tony, the BA Ariagata.